How common are substance-related disorders for teens and young adults? Well, in this video, you'll hear from Sarah Fletcher, the Chief Clinical Officer at Sandstone Care, as she explains how if your teen or young adult is struggling with substance abuse, then you're definitely not alone. Hey, it's Clint with Sandstone Care, where we help teens, young adults, and their families overcome challenges with substance use, addiction, and mental health conditions. All right, let's get right to it.
So when we look at substance use in teens and young adults, we're really looking at a population that, especially in the last year, due to the pandemic that we've all experienced, those numbers are rising. And so in 2017, there was a study done that said around 1 in 12 Americans will struggle with a substance use disorder. And the highest number of that really comes into teens and young adults. A lot of times because they're going through adolescence, they're learning who they are, they're gaining a sense of identity. And so with the pandemic coupling with that study from 2017, we're seeing millions of young people, adolescents into early adulthood, seeking out support for substance use.
If you want to learn more about treatment options for you, your teen, or young adult, then tell us about your situation on a confidential call using the number in the description below, or live chat with us at sandstonecare.com. We'll connect you with the treatment that you need, and if we're not the right fit, we'll get you where you need to go. Be well, and remember that change is possible.